Oh, video ka ha.
Bako, huwag ka kamitel.
Oh, is that gas turbine? So here we are here in NMP Tacloban. So this is their simulator room. So here we have the starter panel, group 1 and 2. We have here the shaft, turbo generator, main diesel engine, exhaust gas economizer and auxiliary boiler, fuel oil purifier and transfer pump, diesel generator air compressor, lube oil purifier transfer pump, bilge pump. Okay, and here we have the synchronizing panel for diesel generator 1 and 2. We have the emergency switchboard supply starter, emergency generator, synchronizing panel, turbo generator. Okay, here we have a parang reduction gear. Dito nakakouple yung engine and turbine ata itong maliit. Ito turbine, and then on the other side is the parang gas turbine din ata yan. Okay, and here, so I am with Ma'am Maika, Ma'am Jeneline, and Sir Cesar. Okay, so this is the simulator room. So this is our first day of training. Ewan ko kung kompleto na kami or kami lang. So another room for lecture room. So this is our lecture room. Okay, syempre with a monitor. So ang lamig ng room, ang ganda, cozy, nice. Okay, so magti-training pa kami. Bye!